Hi friends, welcome to Foodnet. If you are new here, consider subscribing my channel. This video I am going to share you ragi chocolate cookies recipe. As we all know, ragi is very healthy because of its fiber and other vital nutrients. Today I am going to bake these cookies without sugar and maida. About the taste I will discuss further. Just stay tuned. The ingredients I used in this recipe are listed here as well as in description box. Please check once. The ingredients I used in this recipe: butter 1/3 cup, ragi roasted ragi flour half cup, wheat flour half cup, baking soda half tablespoon, cocoa powder 1 tablespoon, milk 1/4 cup. Without any further ado, let's start our recipe. First, in this recipe I have taken a bowl. Into that bowl I have added 1/3 cup butter and half cup jaggery powder. I am trying to mix these ingredients well to form a creamy mixture. As the butter melts and the jaggery melts, it will form creamy mixture like this. We have to take softened butter so that the mixing will be easy for us. Once the creamy mixture is formed, I kept that bowl aside, the jaggery and butter mixture aside. Now I have taken another bowl. Into that I am going to add all dry ingredients. Half cup roasted ragi flour, half cup wheat flour, half tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. I have added all dry ingredients into this and now I am going to mix well. To blend the ingredients well, that's it. Once the ingredients are well mixed, now I am going to add this flour into the butter and jaggery mixture. See, now I am going to add these dry ingredients into butter jaggery mixture, creamy mixture. Now I am going to add these dry ingredients in batches just for convenient mixing, nothing more than that. For this recipe we have to use only roasted ragi flour, or else we will feel that sandy texture in our mouth while we eat this ragi cookies. So we don't want that, right? So we have to use only roasted ragi flour. Once it is done, now I am adding half cup milk. You can either use boiled or unboiled milk. It's up to your choice. Now I am using my hands to form dough out of it. Now the cookie dough is ready. Now I am going to roll cookies out from this cookie dough and just do as shown in this clip. Now I am going to arrange these cookies in the baking tray, which I am going to bake in the stove. In this video I am going to share both recipes, how to bake ragi cookies in stove as well as in the oven. I am done with this tray. I am going to arrange the cookies as before. This tray is for baking cookies in the oven. I am just doing as before. Once the cooking trays are ready, first I am going to show you how to bake cookies on the stove top. For this, we have to take wide vessel. In that vessel, we have to spread some salt and preheat this vessel for 5 minutes. Once it is preheated, now I am going to place a bowl in it. On the top of that bowl, I am going to place this baking tray with cookies. And now I am going to bake these cookies for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can clearly see our cookies are done. Now transfer these cookies immediately from this tray to the another plate, or else there might be chances of burning. So transfer immediately. Now I am going to share you how to bake cookies in oven. For this, we have to first of all preheat the oven at 180 degrees C for 10 minutes. Once the oven is preheated, I am placing this baking tray into the oven and bake cookies for 20 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 20 minutes, my cookies are ready. These ragi cookies are soft, chewy. At the same time, it's crispy outside. Coming to the taste, these cookies are chocolatey and at the same time, you can taste that ragi texture and flavor too. These cookies are great snack option for toddlers. In our family, we all liked it. Please do try and let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe.